Let's look at some words and phrases to describe the weather.
So we have learned words like windy, rainy, sunny, snowy, and we also know words like windy and breezy, foggy, hazy, smoggy, cold, and chilly. So these are words that we have already learned. Can you identify what sort of weather I'm describing with these words and phrases? So example 1. It was a cold and windy day. A strong gust of wind blew against my face. I held on tightly to my hat as I rushed home. So by imagining what's going on here and using the clues given, what kind of day do you think it is? If you guess that it is a windy or breezy day, you are right. So these are some phrases that you can use to describe a windy or breezy day. Number 2. Dark, ominous clouds filled the sky. Shortly after, I saw a flash of lightning and heard a soft rumble of thunder. A storm was coming. I picked up my pace as I hurried home. So picked up my pace means I walked a little quicker. What kind of weather do you think I'm describing here? If you guess that it is a rainy day, or you use words like there is a thunderstorm or a downpour, you are right. So this describes a rainy day, and it's not just a light rain or a light drizzle. It is more like a thunderstorm or a heavy downpour because you see lightning and you hear thunder as well. Next example. It was a bright and sunny morning. White fluffy clouds drifted across the clear blue sky. Beads of perspiration rolled down the boy's face as he hurried home. He was desperate for a cool shower and some lunch. What kind of day do you think it is? What's the weather? If you guess that it is a sunny or hot day, you are right. I know some of you are thinking of adjectives to describe how hot it is, and you may come up with words like scorching hot or blazing hot to describe how hot the day is. Next example. The cold air stung my cheeks. I pulled my scarf up to cover my face and I rubbed my hands together to warm myself. As I looked around, I noticed a white blanket of snow covering the trees, ground, and houses. What kind of weather do you think this is describing? So if you guess that it's a snowy day, a chilly day, and that it is freezing cold, you are right. This is one way you can describe a very, very cold day. For the last example, take a look at these pictures. Can you think of any words to describe the weather that you see here? If you guess that it is a foggy, hazy, or misty day, you are right. Well done. So today we have learned words like windy, rainy, sunny, snowy, windy, breezy, foggy, hazy, smoggy, cold, and chilly. We also learned some phrases that we can use when describing these types of weather.